Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that. And Scorpios, this is an intuitive reading. So at some point of time, you may get clarity in this reading. So it is better you watch till the end of the reading, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have the Hermit, Fortitude in reverse, and Prince of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are thinking about something, you want clarity, and you want the right choice or the right decision today. So you are thinking about something important, you need to make a decision today in your work maybe, and you are contemplating about your action, and you are a person of wisdom, and you know what will happen or what will be the way things will go. So you are thinking within yourself whether to go for this or that. So some kind of decision making in process. Maybe you're thinking about this relationship, about this person, what you need to do in this connection today, whether to accept their love or not. Because this person is someone you feel they may have some habits or something. They are in a difficult circumstance. Maybe it may be a financial difficulty they are in, or it may be some kind of emotional difficulty, something they need to do. Maybe they may have some addictions, something they need to control, but it is simply out of their hands. They are not having that power or energy or that clear thought to give up these addictions. And a lot of fear, uncertainty is there in their life, a lot of difficult circumstances, something you are unable to change. You cannot penetrate these circumstances, penetrate the way they are shielding themselves or their situation. You are unable to help them in any way, but you love this person, but they are going through a lot of difficulty and you don't know what to make, how to make a choice today. So it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So you are trying your best to help this person, but they are maybe for most of you, I see that situation is out of control. You're not able to help them, not able to guide them in any way. Maybe because they have their own vision, ideas, and they are very angry, maybe hot tempered. They are facing a lot of difficulties in their situation. So they are not willing to listen to you or listen to your ideas or suggestions today. Or they may have someone manipulating them, dominating them. So that may be the reason for anger. So they are under someone's influence. It may be a bad influence. They are unable to overcome that. And this person is trying really hard, but situation looks like it's out of control. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's prophetess of moons. So again here there is a person who is a visionary. Maybe it may be your energy. Maybe if they listen to you, you are going to help them. Maybe this person who loves them, who trusts them, and who feels that they are their true friend, wise, knowledgeable, who knows very well about them, and who is good nature, who has good intentions towards this person. So, if you are the one in difficulty, maybe this person is someone you can trust, someone who will guide you, or if you feel that you may have someone like that, maybe a good hearted person who is really concerned, honestly concerned about you, you can trust them today, Scorpios. They are here just to help you and guide you. You can trust this person. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what is the card now. We have Sun in reverse. So, in your career, maybe there may be some difficulties you are facing, some delays may be there, some suspensions in work, something may not go right, maybe, and you are unable to see things more clearly. There is some kind of an uncertainty in the choices you are making in your career. Maybe you feel that you cannot expect certain results, something very unclear about the way things are going today in your career circumstances. So, that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpio. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you, and you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or um, that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward, and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings, and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.